It's 1 down and 2 to go for the West Indies in the Super 8 phase of the World T20 after they emphatically dismissed Zimbabwe by over 100 runs to also go 5 from 5 for the tournament. And for all those people saying they knew or they expected the West Indies to be this impressive in this World T20, you are lying. This is the most pleasant surprise ever. And yes, the pitches are good. The ball is coming on. There is not much turn. But even then, the West Indies have been winning impressively, playing T20 cricket the West Indies way, enjoying the conditions, doing what they do best, going for them sixes and going for them fours, with style and swag and broad smiles all over their faces. And we hope the West Indies go all the way in this tournament, not just in winning a 3rd World T20 title, but we hope they go all the way around the corner this night. Turn the corner.